Have you ever told your friends that you're done with his negativity and then you text him back 5 minutes after? Have you ever told your friends that you're done with your man and that you will not talk to him ever again, and then 2 minutes after he texts you, "Where do you want to eat?" and you said McDonald's? What about that one time when you keep on posting selfies and stories on Instagram hoping that he will quietly see them or like them so that you can sleep better at night? And what about the time where you get emotionally manipulated every day by his "Good morning cutie" texts? Then this makeup tutorial is for you. I will show you this look where you can wear every time he pisses you off or every time you feel like he plates you. So you can go from this to this. For all the girls out there, you know who you are. Just put this on, you feel much better. Maybe not. So I'll be looking at my mirror down here so I can do my makeup for you guys. So first thing first, just do whatever makeup that you usually do every day. For me, I put a lot of blush around this whole area of my face up to my eyes, like a superhero mask. It's like a, oh my god, it's so hot outside, I need some water look. You know, just do your regular everyday makeup. And this is the fun part. So I'm going to touch up my makeup a little. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lip Balm Tint. And I'm going to dip my finger inside, and I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose, like so. So try to make it as round as you can, like that. And then for the rest, I'm gonna use a beauty blender. I'm gonna blend my cheeks out. You know, just because he likes to be with you, he likes to cuddle with you, to watch Netflix with you, to buy you dinners, take you on cute dates, tell you that he likes you, doesn't mean that you should fall for him, because he will ghost you next week. Okay, so since my cheeks are not red enough, I'm going to use a little bit more. And this time I'm going to try and use this to make my cheeks more red. Have you ever had any like clownery moment where you actually like clown yourself? So now that I'm done with making my cheeks super red, so I bought this cream makeup thing at Target. I bought it in black and red on Halloween. I'm going to put a little bit of makeup in here, like so. Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. So I'm going to be using these two brushes. Since my nose isn't as red as it should be, I'm going to take the red makeup and I'm going to put a little bit on my nose to fix that. Now I'm going to try and create the eye makeup. So I'm going to use the black. And once again, I dip just a little bit. So you want to create one triangle above your eyebrow right here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just like your relationship with him. Perfect, so it went from a tiny triangle to this huge ass triangle that cover half of my face. So I'm going to match the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows a little. Okay, and next we're going to do an inverted triangle under your eye where your eye bag is. So, shit, I'm scared. Okay, I think that should be good. And then I'm going to... Oh shit, I ruined it. So once you're done with doing this whole thing, I don't know what to call it, it's gonna be really easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use the back, the tip, the back of, I'm gonna use the tip of my brush, and I'm going to put a dot here and a dot here, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the two under my eyes. So next, I will use my lip tint one more time and kind of rub it around my lips. And it doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry. I'm gonna use this red color for my lips. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you can try it on the outside of your lips too. Okay, once you're done putting on the lip makeup, make sure to clean the corner and put a little smirk on both sides. And you should have something like this. And to finish up with my makeup, I'm going to put a little bit of highlight on my face. So I'm going to put a little bit on my nose here. I'm going to blend it out. And then I'm going to put it on my lips. I'm using a liquid highlighter like that. A little bit of highlighter up here and a little bit up here as well. Now that I'm done with my Clownery makeup, I'm going to put on this bright polka dot scarf, and then I'm going to put on my gloves. For all the girls out there, you know who you are. Just put this on, you feel much better. Maybe not. And for my next trick, I'll give him a 20th chance to prove his love for me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have any questions.